The Cardiff Content Creators, as we've developed it, is a group of American and Welsh students who share a passion for storytelling. You know, I think the beauty of this camp is that I brought 7 students with me, and as a staff we stood back and let the magic happen and let the kids take ownership of the camp. They determined the content. They did a lot of it with us sort of staying out of the way. But I think it's just generally it's innovative when you are empowering young people to go out into the community and tell stories and giving them the tools that professionals use to do the same thing.
We had the young people from all the backgrounds, so those young people, they feel themselves represented. I think we give them the freedom of expression. So we had a lot of young people who had lack of confidence. At the end of the project, we could see like completely different young people.
To be given like complete freedom in a creative environment in a safe way is so important for young people to develop a passion in it, you know. I would say that was a really good opportunity for young people to engage with something new that they hadn't experienced before.
It improved my digital skills a lot because we had Americans come over. They knew a lot more than we knew at the time, and they taught us really well. We learned tons of new things.
But it was more than just digital skills. It was social skills and it was like networking skills. We wouldn't have been in that position without Cardiff Content Creators.